Hey guys, Stroked and Bored here. I wanted to take a second to show you guys how to actually use a manual micrometer and a dial bore gauge so you can better understand how I came up with the oil clearance measurements for our small block Chevy. We're going to start with the manual micrometer. Looks like we have a 2 to 3 inch micrometer, so the very first number you're going to write down is going to be 2. We're going to write down our number 2 and put our decimal. From there, we're going to flip this thing around so you guys can see it. Bring it up nice and close, kind of get the glare out of it. Alright, so you can see the center line there. Now, as we're looking at the center line, you're going to notice, you're going to see the 4 right here on the center line is going to be our last number. So we're going to write that 4 down. That's going to be in your next decimal place. Following that up, we're going to be looking for the smaller line right next to the 4. That's equivalent to 25. So we're going to write 25 over to the side. After that, we're going to look over here on the actual turn, and we're going to see what the last number is prior to crossing the center line. That's going to be 23. You can see the 24 is just too high. 23 is still under, so we're going to write down 23. Make sure you write that down off to the side where you wrote 25. From there, you have your 23 and your 25 over here to the side, and that's going to equal 48. So you're going to write 48. Now that 48 is now going to go right here next to our 2.4. So we're currently at 2.448. The next step you're going to want to do is, while you're looking at the micrometer, you're going to start to roll the micrometer around. Now you're looking at these numbers over here on the side. You're going to roll it till you find a line, these two lines where they align, and on this one it's going to be 7. We're going to write that 7 down in the very last place, and that's how your measurement should look after.